Hey guys, I exceeded 100 subscribers. I started my channel in July 2017 and now we are in December and I have now about 120 subscribers, so it's a bit late, but it's very important. Having 100 subscribers is not a small achievement, it's a very big achievement because you are starting from scratch and because you started a whole project from the day one with 0 subscribers and you managed to get it to 100. So 100 people trusted you to entertain them, to teach them, to share with them something really sweet and something that they really like and value. So this is something really big. I started this work with really nearly 0 experience, but I was really very keen to see as much videos and read as many articles as I could from YouTubers and from media marketing specialists and experts and so on, to know what I'm really going through. I started to learn how to use my analytics and started to learn how to develop my videos further and further. So if you go back to my starting videos, you will see that I managed to improve this as much as I could. I want to tell you that to start working on YouTube and post videos is not something easy. It needs a lot of patience, a hell of patience, and it needs really determination, and above all you need to love what you are doing. So for people who are going into the YouTube to say that okay, in a matter of 1 month or 2 months I'll be really famous and I will get maybe reach a lot of money, this is not true. If you have something like this is the exception, not the rule. You have to be patient and you have to post your videos regularly and you have to look at your analytics and benefit from them, and you have to learn all the way and you have to be really happy about what you are doing. So you are in the production phase of the videos, you are enjoying this, you are posting because you love this, you love to entertain yourself, entertain people, and learn something new, and also share this information and share these things with people. This is something really great. So for me, this is my own strategy about it, is to post regularly, is to learn and to share and to make a channel that people will value and people will love. And also I respect my audience. I respect what they want and I respect what they see, what they want to see, and what the quality that are expected from me. So every time and every video that I post, I make sure that it is better than the videos that I already posted before, and reaching more subscribers is something really important, but it's not the main importance for me right now. So that was briefly my reflections about this, and again, thanks a lot for trusting me and for subscribing. Keep digging and keep the good work and don't be despaired. Let's continue the journey. Thank you.